Welcome to NBS Breakfast Meeting. My name is Tracy Ikopit, and it is my pleasure to be hosting you this morning. And right now, we're going to be talking about I&M Bank and how they're transforming global payments for Ugandans with one card, 9 currencies, and 0 complications. And joining me this morning is I&M Bank's Chief Business Officer. It is so great to have you here this morning, sir.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Please do introduce yourself to our audience.
Well, thank you very much. My name is Edward Gibson Nangono. I'm the Chief Business Officer at the bank. I lead the coverage teams as well as provide client solutioning at I&M Bank Uganda.
Incredible. So let's talk about this. It's one card, 9 currencies, and 0 complications. Talk to us about the multi-currency prepaid card. What gap in the market were you trying to fill, and what made you want to launch this thing in Uganda?
Yeah, sure. So this is a solution that has come out of our interaction with the market, with our customers, with trying to understand, to solve for a need. This is a card that is for that person that either trades or pays across boundaries, lives across borders, or has any transactions across borders. So it is a way of saving them the ability to convert lots of currency to meet their payment expectations. And this is one of the solutions that has come through to support global payments in that nature.
Amazing. So a lot of Ugandans know about debit and credit cards. What makes this card specifically different from the rest?
Sure. So this is a prepaid card. It carries 9 wallets. It takes care of 9 currencies. And what happens is that it's a preloaded card. So that helps you with ease and simplicity of spending. You're able to know and agree beforehand how much you're going to pay. And then there is no hidden costs, hidden charges. What you paste in your card is what you have, is what you spend. So unlike all the other offerings that we have, this is intended to help you have clarity of what you spend, as well as spend in the best currency that you like to spend in.
Amazing. And I think one of the standout features of this card is that you don't need to have an I&M bank account to get this card. So how does this aid, financial inclusion and accessibility of these financial services to the rest of Ugandans?
Sure. So really, in line with our call and what we do, financial inclusion is not just about opening and having banking account relationships. We understand that's a big challenge sometimes. We feel that financial inclusion is about getting people into the global financial payment systems. So this card is available to both customers and non-customers of the bank. You can be able to have it. What it does for you is, if you're among the category of people that I spoke with, you have any payments across currencies, you either live in 2 different countries or more, or do payments across or have obligations in different currencies. At I&M Bank, we'll give you a prepaid card that will give you 9 currencies. And these are, for instance, the Uganda shilling, the Rwandan franc, the Tanzanian shilling, the Kenyan shilling, the United States dollar, the euro, the Great Britain pound, the Indian rupee, the South African ZAR. So you can then be able to have these different 9 wallets in one card. So depending on what you want to pay, you load that card with that respective currency, and look, without any hassle, you're able to pay.
Yeah, great. So what are the processes of loading this card? Can it be done through mobile money? Can it be done through another bank? What's the process like?
So loading this card is very easy. If you have the best currency, you can rock up at any I&M bank and just load your card. But you can also load your card from your app. On your app, from your wallet or your bank account, you can immediately pay into your card and in whatever currency that you like to load up, and that will be done instantly. What's coming next is you'll now be able as well to top up your card from your mobile money. So we're making it as easy as possible for you to access your wallets as conveniently as you can.
Incredible. It sounds like a dream. So what's the response been like since the launch of this product?
Well, it's phenomenal. We've been out on the market with 9 currencies for just a very short time. We've got overwhelming response. And look, the common adage that we are now a global village really comes to life.
Yeah.
You have people paying up their subs across, and you have to pay online. We have parents with students studying outside Uganda, and they need to send them probably a monthly or regular stipend in the best currency of where they are. So traditionally, you'd come to the bank, change your money, your shillings into whatever currency it is, and remit to your son or daughter wherever they are. But now with this card, you just top up the card at the convenience of your home, or whether you're in a cinema or whether you're at your office, and you're able to just top up for your child to be able to spend. We also have a bit of medical tourism. You have people traveling to India or to the US or to anywhere in Europe on medical grounds, and you need to send money or you need to pay. Where there are global online payment systems, this card has come through very handy. But more so, you can go traders. There's lots of inter-country trade. Many Ugandans trading with Rwanda, or many Ugandans trading with Kenya, and then they have to convert their funds, get the best currency and pay, uncertainties of the exchange rates. And if you're doing it in a local card, there are markups that go in there through Visa or MasterCard, and creates a lot of uncertainty. So what we've done with this card is give you a lot of certainty, enable you to make your payment in the currency that you like to make the payment.
Yeah, amazing. So let's talk about that. You had touched on the volatility of the exchange rates. So how does the card's currency management feature help customers plan and spend more effectively?
Yeah, sure. So what this gives you is a lot of certainty. A lot of certainty in that if you want to spend $1,000 today, you know exactly how much that is, and you put that in your card. You convert it from whatever currency that you have. If you have euros, you have one rate there, get $1,000 into your card, and off you go, spend. So that gives you the certainty. If you to use any of the other cards on the market or any of the other products, then you're subject to the prevailing system rates. There's markups that go there to cater for any volatilities. So you're not sure exactly how much was, or there'll be different prices that are rather different values that will be debited off your base currency account. But here the certainty is that what you load is what you spend. Yeah. One card, 9 currencies, zero hassle.
Amazing. So security remains a top priority when it comes to traveling and shopping online. So what safeguards are built into the card, and how quickly can customers get a response if a card is lost or compromised?
Sure. Of course, for any payment system, security is of paramount importance. We take care of our customers and ensure that our customers get the best value in whatever it is that they give. So with your card, with your prepaid card, you have one of the key things to you. You're not exposing your entire bank balance. You only carry what is on your wallet, and that's what's vulnerable, if at all it gets compromised. But then we also have lots of channels for you. You can, on your app, stop your card or block your card instantly using your phone app. Or you can call any of our socials and channels on 24-hour basis, and the card will be stopped. So the biggest thing with this prepaid card for you is what's vulnerable at any one time is what is loaded onto the card, and not your entire life savings or in your entire bank account, as it would be with the other cards, that is. But then the protocols are in place. We have a lot of security measures in there. It's a PIN authenticated card, so we make sure that you get, and then we have a lot of client and customer education that goes on about how best you can preserve or prevent fraud. So this augments each other to make it a secure product.
Incredible, incredible. So how does this card compare with carrying cash when traveling?
Look, convenience, and convenience. In most of the markets now, in most of the places we travel to, you find a very big signpost, no cash allowed.
Yeah.
No cash allowed in these premises. And certainly if you're carrying cash, then that's a bit of a problem. But then if you have your prepaid card loaded, you can be able to pay by card. In some of the countries, even the little eateries, the barber shops, you can't pay by cash. So we're solving this for you. this is part of getting into the global payments ecosystem. So we help you to be able to navigate your way around the various geographies that you trade in, the various geographies that you go in, or the various boundaries that you need to cross to make your payments.
Great. I mean, and it's an increasing problem. A lot of people travel and they say, no cash, no cash. So this is a great solution.
Look, I know people who trade in 3 different countries, and they carry 3 different wallets. You have one wallet for when you're in Kenya, one wallet for when you're in South Africa, and one wallet when you're in Uganda. Absolutely. That's a hassle. Then you have to keep changing money. Here, you just load one card. You have one card replacing 9 wallets.
Absolutely. Like you said, it's a global village.
Sure.
So this is the best solution for that.
Sure.
So Uganda's payments ecosystem continues to evolve rapidly with mobile money, fintech innovation, and digital banking solutions. So where does this multi-currency prepaid card fall within that transformation?
Sure. Well, true. And that's very important. And this is really helping to scale up what is available, the solutions available to you as a user. We see this card as a complementary tool to the existing fintech, mobile money, or all the other payment structures. They will be fit for everywhere. But for this particular card, if you travel, if you pay across, then this is really coming through very, very strongly for you as a solution. Because one, it gives you certainty. The exchange rate is known beforehand, and then you know exact value of what you have in your card, in your wallet on the card. And you're able to spend exactly, you have certainty of mind. So it just comes to complement the existing payment infrastructure that's available on the market.
Great. So you said that you've received, overwhelming positive response from the launch of this. So have you noticed a particular demand from certain sectors when it comes to like maybe SMEs, students, or people living in the diaspora?
Yes, there's a lot of diaspora call on this because the diaspora, this really speaks to them. You earn in a different currency, and if you have to spend home, you have to spend in the local shilling. Absolutely. So that enables people to have that certainty to come through. But we also have a very big student population, both resident here or those that are having correspondent courses outside and need to pay to have online payment measures. This is your solution. This is what will take the headache away. You know exactly how much you've put in the card. You're able to spend that and to the dot on that. So those are some of the key areas. But look, Uganda is one of the leading entrepreneurial countries, as they say. Everybody is trading something. And now with the global village, everybody is trading out of the country in some form or another. This is supporting quite a bit to enable people make their payments through. And all that, now your Gmail space you have to pay. So how do you pay that? And then how much is it? All that is happening, and the card has come in to provide a solution to both our customers and those individuals that are just walking in to take advantage of this solution.
Absolutely. So I&M Bank operates within a strong regional banking network. So how does this innovation align with the bank's broader vision for digital banking and customer experience in Uganda?
Wow, thank you. So this is just one of those that fits in our digital agenda. We believe that we would like to be your preferred financial partner for growth. We believe that way, one of the ways to achieve that ambition is to make it seamless for you to make your payments, as is with this card. We have a regional presence, as you rightly say. We have other solutions there. We got Brisk. You can access your Ugandan account when you're in Rwanda, or when you're in Tanzania, or when in any of our presence markets in Kenya. Now you can actually carry the local currency on your card wallet even when you're there. So this is just supporting us to augment our proposition towards helping our customers be in a regional space.
Amazing. So for the purposes of viewers watching who might want to, get this multi-currency prepaid card, what is the application process like? How do we get the card?
Sure. Yeah, this is very simple. You can rock up at any of our branches in Kampala, in Arua, in Jinja, in Entebbe, or you can get onto our socials, give us a call. We can come, take your details and deliver the card to you. You don't have to come to the bank if you're the busy type or if you're busy with your business. We help you to continue with that. So just reach out to us, and we'll be able to provide the card for you at your presence.
Incredible. So looking ahead, what emerging trends in digital payments are you foreseeing that could possibly change the future of banking?
Look, it's very interesting. Digital trends, it's a full subject of its own in our industry. It's an evolving change. At I&M Bank Uganda, we maintain a vibrant innovations team of very young, vibrant geeks who are thinking every day about how to solution our clients. We got in 9 currencies onto one card, the first in this market, and responding to particular needs. So it's a topic for a whole day's show. Yeah. But I believe that we need now to manage the lifestyle trends of our customers. We need to provide convenience for our customers. We need to do solutions, not products. Absolutely. We would like to give solutions to our customers and not sell them bank products. That's what I see happening. Yeah. And certainly we'll be here talking about other lifestyle, other innovations in not very long time. But for now, one card, 9 currencies, no hassle.
Incredible. And I think what I like most about what you've shared is how you're creating products based on how people's lifestyles are evolving, the new trends that are emerging, and creating solutions for that so that Uganda at large isn't left behind.
Sure.
It's absolutely amazing. Before we go, is there anything else that you would like to share with the audience?
No, I think that the global payment solutions are important for any person that's involved in payments across currencies. It's important for you to be certain about what you are spending. And then it's also very important for you to know what's going to cost you exactly in real terms. So this solution is for you, to support you in all your international payments. It's available to all our I&M staff, or rather customers, but it's also available to non-customers. You could have your own financial arrangements, but we're inviting you to this prepaid card to support you with your cross-border payments.
Incredible. Thank you so much, sir, for being here and for sharing all this information with us and for letting us know the amazing things that I&M Bank is doing. Well, there you have it. 1 card, 9 currencies, 0 hassle. If you are interested in getting this multi-currency prepaid card, all you need to do is visit your nearest I&M branch, apply, get your card, and be able to trade across borders, no hassle. We'll be right back after a short break. Stay connected.
Favorite hits, fresh tracks, and exclusive jams every day. Whether you're home, on the go, or just chilling, we got you covered. Immerse yourself in the ultimate music experience, only available on the Afro mobile platform. Feel the vibes, NBS Music. Teddy Kuzikiza.
I Wanyoto Lydia Mutende
NBS Kukatebe
bankwatirako nnyo
emboozi y'omubaka omukyala ow'ekibuga Mbale
bwe nagamba nti mukama waffe agambye akalulu kaveemu nasalawo era ne mbakwatirako ninga basinge bagende batukulembe
era nga ye minisita omubeezi w'abakozi ba gavumenti
so ffe twali ku byaffe awo tunywa mboozi abwa sipiika nali nesimbye ku bwa sipiika
osalawo ddi n'ogamba kati ebyobufuzi ebiri serious kambiyingire
baatujja makerere bannange bonna abawulira n'abanda bakimanyi temulembe gwaffe tetulabye